Okay, hey guys. I know some of you have a problem with how to even start David's assignment. So what I'm gonna do very quickly here is give you a quick kickstart so you can start working on your assignment. So I know that 249 we all used Pycharm during the first semester and 255 didn't, which is not great for you if you want to do your Python programming. So how to apply for your Pycharm? Just type in Pycharm student and then go here, and you can free individual blah blah blah, apply now, and click here as a student, so that's fine, and then you put your name, surname. That has to be your DT email address. So in this case I would put my DT171 blah 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 my DIT.IE region, and you have to accept and apply. I did that before, so I can't do it now, but you basically you get your email confirming that you it confirms that you received your give me a second. Pycharm, JetBrains. Yes. So there's your confirmation email, and you have to click confirm, and then you have to create an account, which is strange, but that first you apply, and then you have to create your account somewhere. I think here, yeah. So you can go, and I think what I did was I went straight to Pycharm and click download. So you download your Pycharm here, you click Windows or whatever you use, and then download. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, apologies, I had to move from okay, so you download, you go in here. Sorry, did I cancel it? I might have. Oh no, sorry. So you download free. Well, it says free trial, but it's okay. It's gonna download 245 megabytes there, and I might just let it. Yeah, I let it download, and I'll show you the first steps because I have my Pycharm installed, so I can't install it again, but I can actually at least go in and show you the first steps. So second thing would be to go to python.org and download your newest Python. I think here Python 3.64. Yeah, so that's the newest. You see that number here stands for the version of Python, and that's just like a build. And then so we have Python 2 and 3, which obviously it's better to use 3, but there is, and just keep in mind that these are actually two different languages. So if you go to, let's say you want to look for Python how to open file, that's another thing I want to show you. It's very easy to code when you know how to look for information. If you know how to kind of just Google phrases that you're looking for. Yeah, so that's downloaded here. That should be easy enough anyway. If you open your Python, you should be able to just install it very quickly. Blah blah blah. I'm not gonna click on it because it's gonna upgrade. Yeah, I have it installed. Just keep in mind when you open new project, when you do install your Python, then when you open a new project, it's very important that so this is your name, so you just put your name of project. And to be honest, it's what I think I'm gonna do throughout the course. I'll just keep one project with Python 3.6, and I'll just change the names of folders. I'll just create folders and give them names, semester 2, 1, 2, and so on, because then you can open folders and see your old codes instead of flipping from project to project. I see no difference. It's not like I'm gonna keep a lot of data there, so I should be able to manage. And you don't want to jump from project to project to be able to see your old codes and that's the thing I was talking about. Whatever you install, see, that was my how do you call it, like default Python. And when I started to use it, it was first of all Iron Python. I have no idea what that is, and then it's based on 2, not 3. So just make sure you're work on 3 point something. Sorry. Okay, and click create, and then you have that's all you have to do. You have to make sure you're on Python. You give it a name. You can give it a different folder, and you have to give it and click give it the right Python and click create. Okay, so and that's how you create kind of new project. You'll see something like this, and you'll probably have nothing here except your project name. So then you can right click a new directory and call it sem2 programming paradigms and data structures. Yeah, and that's how I called my folder here. So then I'll click OK, obviously, to create it, but I don't want to make a mess here. And then you can right click on your folder where you want to keep your new file, new Python file, and you just go to here and you just name it, say test. Okay, and you have a new file, blah blah blah. Okay, test. I made test before because I was shown how to do it before. So there you go. So there's a new file where you can just start working. So if you do print, and that's the tricky stuff. So I use brackets now, and I'll write and then quotation marks and say hello world, and then I'll go and right click on my test and press run test, and you'll see on the bottom here, that's like a console, and you'll see what my program did. And basically in this case it just said hello world, but it's the first code that you're supposed to create in your career. That's the never mind. So that's what it does, and you can see it here, and then you see it exit with code 0, which means it's fine. If it exits with code 0, it means it went from the beginning to the end, and no error has been created, so it's fine. Okay, so let me delete those guys because I don't want to have them here. Or I can just select and press delete. Yes, okay. Delete, okay. Test file, probably I don't want to keep it there. I actually wanted to show you. Okay, never mind. So let's see, what do we have here? Yes, let's click on Pycharm and see if we can at least start installing, getting ready for installation. So do you want to change it to, yeah, okay, so let's see what's gonna happen next. And then uninstall. So that's going to ask me to uninstall first, obviously, so I'll have to uninstall. But basically you have to, it's going to ask you what kind of license do you want to use, and then you have to put in your DIT your DIT email and your password if you made an account in JetBrains. If you create an account here somewhere, yeah, with those guys. If not, there is a little link here somewhere on the right side, I think, saying forgot password. So then you just click on it and you just create your new password, and then you can use it while installing your PyCharm. Okay, so then you'll be able to use, and if you install both Python, which is just a language, just basically just a language, and PyCharm, which is IDE, which means integrated developer development environment, or design develop, something like this. It's like an environment, which is this. It's like an environment for development, for developing codes. Okay, so let's stop here.